Hey guys, this is Mike Glover with Slower Traffic Keep Right. Today we're going to revisit the process for setting up an RT payload, as the process has been revised slightly. So we'll cover the steps. First thing you need to do is make sure that you have your strategy set correctly to go with whichever calibration PCM that you're using. And that the bank count is set. All EEC-IVs are going to be one bank, and then the EEC-Vs will be 2 banks minimum. Okay, next we'll click on the Utilities tab and go over to the list of items for data logging, and you can select up to 16. Doesn't have to be 16, it can be up to 16 items. The save payload that I have, and once I hit payload, that has become the default payload for the A9L. And anytime I write full tune with this box, the data logging checkbox checked, it will combine these items into the payload code and then insert that into the calibration, and then write that to the TwEECer, which activates the data logging loop and allows the data stream to be active. Next, once you go to CalCon, you need to go to the Setup tab and make sure that this strategy selection, and this is the revised portion of the process, is you actually have to set a strategy on the CalCon Setup tab, so it knows which default payload to use as the definition for the data stream coming in. You can either drop down, drag, search, or manually type it in. And otherwise, if you don't, like on the first time you run CalCon, you'll get this error message and tells you that either you haven't created a payload, which of course we already did, so it has to be that it doesn't know which strategy, or the strategy that it's pointing to doesn't have a payload. So setting this will clear that error. So that's it. That's the revised methodology, and I will see you guys out on the Yahoo group. Have fun tweaking.